Hey friends, it's me, Claire. I wish I had something more fun planned, but unfortunately, we're going to have to do some paperwork. I want to help you make or update your CV. I know this isn't a fun task, but a curriculum vitae is a document that serves as a record of all your amazing accomplishments. Artists often need to have an updated CV to apply for exhibitions, grants, and jobs. It's also a good idea to have one posted on your website. This resource will be helpful if you need to create a CV from scratch or if it's time to update yours. I didn't make mine until I was in grad school because I had never even heard of a CV previously. And I want to serve as the ghost of Christmas future so you won't have to suffer as much as I did when I first created mine. Anyway, I'm going to apologize for this demonstration being less than exciting. However, it will be helpful. I recommend creating or editing your CV along with me and pausing the video as you write. I'm going to use my CV as an example just in case you want to procrastinate on working on yours, because you'll be able to consult mine as a reference on my website later. I also want to let you know that you don't have to format your CV the exact same way that I did. I created mine originally with help from two of my amazing advisors 1,000 years ago when I was a student, and they suggested that I use CAA as a resource, which is collegeart.org. I also recommend that you check out the CVs of your favorite artists when putting yours together. Before we get started, I want to reassure you that it's okay if your CV isn't perfect. This is a living document, which means that you'll continually add to it and edit it. Unfortunately, it will often feel like a Sisyphean task, but I assure you that once you get started, it's not so bad to update. The tricky part is remembering what you've done and also remembering to add it to your CV, but you can do it. This instructional video about creating and maintaining your CV is part of the curriculum at the Unaccredited College of Clare. Please check out patreon.com/Claire Lockhart for additional resources for artists who know better than to go into massive debt to learn about this stuff. That's patreon.com/KLAIRELOCKHEART.